Hey guys, it's Kristen from A Mindful Mom, where I get into the kitchen and share with you easy, family-friendly recipes. Today, I'm sharing with you a recipe for a cherry crumb pie. From the custard filling, to the sweet cherries, to the buttery crumble, this cherry pie is absolutely irresistible. Make the creamy custard by mixing together sugar, flour, sour cream, and a dash of salt. Mix until well combined and set aside. For the buttery crumble, mix together flour, sugar, and cold cubed butter. Use your fingers to incorporate the butter into the mixture until it's well combined and it resembles wet sand. For your pie crust, either select your favorite store-bought frozen or fresh pie dough sheet, or use your favorite homemade pie dough recipe. Sprinkle parchment paper or wax paper with flour. Place your pie dough in the center of your work surface and begin to roll out your pie dough, working from the center of the dough outward until your pie crust reaches about 1/8 of an inch thickness. Carefully roll up your pie dough onto your rolling pin and transfer to a 9-inch baking pan. Use your fingers to fit the pie crust perfectly into your pan, trimming off any excess. For the cherries in this cherry pie, we want to use sweet, fresh or frozen cherries that have been pitted. For frozen cherries, do not thaw, just add right to your pie crust. But for fresh cherries, be sure that you wash and dry your cherries and then pit each cherry. You don't need any special equipment to pit your cherries at home. A simple metal straw will do. Using a metal straw or sturdy plastic straw, insert your straw into the bottom of a cherry, centering right under the stem. Firmly push upward and remove the pit from your cherry. Spread your fresh cherries evenly over your pie crust. Pour the sour cream mixture over your cherries evenly. Sprinkle with the buttercrumb topping. And bake the cherry pie at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes for fresh cherries or 55 minutes for frozen cherries. Remove your pie from the oven and let cool to room temperature. Resist the urge to dig in now, as this cherry pie is best after it's been refrigerated for at least 12 hours. Once your pie has been refrigerated, slice up and dig in. For this cherry pie recipe and more family-friendly recipes, be sure to visit amindfulmom.com.